Students, ready? Yeah. Can you hear me? Yeah, my sound is loud, then why you can't hear? The person whose sound is very low, they cannot hear, right? Anyway, today is Friday, and this is the, I think last Friday, this is the day after which we will not do experiment for 2 weeks, because our first term exam is coming. We have to revise the lessons, revise the portions, and from Bhadra, second week, we will again continue our work. All right? So, what is today's date? 13th of Shravan. Oh, Shravan 2079, right? And these are the gems of class 9. Gems who just sparkle, no? So how can we sparkle? By deserving better grades, better GPA, isn't it? Recently there was result of SE 2078, and out of 5,13,000 students who appeared in that exam, 42 students, how many? 42 students, they deserve GPA 4, grade point average. That means they scored 100% correct. So it's not easy to deserve that, but it's not difficult as well. If difficult, then how did they deserve? And if it is easy, then why didn't others deserve? Matter is that. That's why there is saying, be panic before exam, be relaxed after exam. But our mentality is different. We become more panic on the result day. Oh, what will happen? How will happen? Why do you say? How you have done in the exam time, how much labor you have performed, how much effort you have applied from your side, accordingly the grade marks will come, isn't it? So classroom is for teaching learning activities, that is not for wasting the time. Time must be managed for reading, writing. So if somebody is disturbing you, please remind, this is not the place to disturb each other. Okay? Students, in today's class, we are discussing about acid, base and salt. Okay? Acid, base and salt. So, what is acid? What is an acid? Acid is a substance which gives hydrogen ion when dissolved in water, and base is a substance that gives hydroxyl or hydroxide ion when dissolved in water. And now we are going to learn something, how to know whether the given substance is acid, base or salt. Or we can say acid, base or neutral also, okay? Neutral as well, right? Neutral means neither acid nor base. So for that, to identify the substance, we have to use some indicators. What to use? There are some substances, some papers, some liquids which help us to know whether a given substance is acid, base or neutral, isn't it? For that, I have got here paper, you can see. What is the color of this paper? Actually, it is blue color, eh? What is this? Blue color. I think it's been a little bit long time, that's why it seems purple type, right? And you can see here, which color is this? Red color, okay? Red color means, you might have thought that red means like your t-shirt color, not like that. So this is also red in color. Eh? Red color litmus paper, blue color litmus paper. Here are two things. We are going to find whether given substance is acid, base or salt, acidic, basic or neutral. Okay. Here you can see H2SO4. What is here? H2SO means sulfuric acid. What is this? Sulfuric acid. Name is given acid means it is acid. And this acid is very strong acid. Very strong acid. Nowadays you might have heard about those acid attack. Have you heard? Some people, they buy such type of acid and they just put some liquid in some what you say, plastic pouch and throw. Excuse me, right? It's very bad. And here is the next thing, potassium hydroxide. Can you see? What is here? Potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide means it is a base. Acid, base, and there is water, a neutral substance. Now, what type of colors are produced by these papers in acid, base and salt? We are going to check. Are you ready? So, for that, listen, this is strong acid I said, that's why it must not be played with. Okay, let's take something here, some quantity can be taken here. Yeah, your saying is good. So I had to manage one gloves, but last time also they were saying I didn't. So what is kept here? Acid is kept, right? Now let me pour some acid over here, right? Okay, students, what is this? This is red litmus paper, right? What is this? Now what am I going to do? I am just going to put this red litmus paper in this substance, right? Red color became red only, right? Did it change? No. Please mark it. Red color did not change. Okay. Very good. Let me keep here. Okay. Now let me take another litmus paper. Which color is it? Blue color. Ready? Blue color litmus paper. This is not Jadoo. Oh, new Upanishad became Jadoo, no? Jadugar? No. No Jadoo, reality. What is happening here? Which color? In which color has it changed? Up there is red color or not? No, down red color? Yes. Up blue color. So this acid has changed blue color litmus paper into red color. So what can we say? Acid changes blue color litmus paper into red color, right? It is very strong acid, that's why see paper has fallen down also. Yes or no? Now students, what am I going to do? I am just throwing this acid over here. Okay, so that we can do next experiment here. Like, go. Sorry? Why not? No, like we cook food and after washing again can we use that same pot for cooking food or not? Mattering the same thing. Now here is, what is here? Base. What happened? Making me angry? I am not hungry. Actually, it is found in solid form. What is here? Here is potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide means it is a, what is it? It also doesn't want to come. Why? This is enough. What is that? potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide, it is just bought in the shop. Now let me take some water. Good. So we can make solution. What is this? Solution. Now this is potassium hydroxide solution, okay? What is this? Potassium hydroxide solution. Okay, students. Which color is it? Red color, right? Yes or no? In which color had it changed? What can we say? Base change red litmus paper into blue in color. Base changes red litmus paper into blue in color. And acid changes blue litmus paper into red in color. Like this is blue in color. It becomes, I think now it becomes dark blue, see? Okay, now I think you believe. Now it is blue in color or not? Now let's keep here. Has it become red in color? Yes. Check. So, indicators are those substances which help us to identify whether given substance is acidic, basic or neutral. So, what experiment we have done? Litmus paper. Which litmus paper we have taken? Red and blue. Red changes blue in base. Blue changes red in. No, blue changes red in acid. Red changes blue in base. But red remains red in acid. Blue remains blue in base. But they don't change. But so this is red color one, right? Here is water. Color change? No. Now let me make it blue and check whether color will change or not. See, lower part it is blue in color, upper part it is in red in color. It became red because of acid, became blue because of base. Now let's keep here in water. What will happen? Has the color changed? No. It means water is neutral substance, color does not change at all. Understood or not? So, this is today's experiment about indicators. Okay? There are different indicators. This is one. There is methyl orange, phenolphthalein also. That can be done later on. Okay? This much. Okay. Thank you.